Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to link your Fortnite account from Nintendo Switch to PS4 or Ps5. Firstly, visit the Epic Games website. If you don't have an account, just click sign up for one, and if you already have one, just log in. Go to Account Settings section on the Epic Games website, then navigate to the Connections tab. Click Accounts, then click Connect next to Nintendo. Follow the prompts to log in with your Nintendo account credentials and authorize the connection. In the same connection section, click Connect next to PlayStation Network. Log in with your PSN credentials and authorize the connection. Ensure both Nintendo and PlayStation Network are listed as connected under the Connections then Accounts section. Log into Fortnite on your PS4 or 5 and start playing. And that's it guys, thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.